it's Fuzzy. Today we're going to do a review on the smartphone magnetic neck holder. This is pretty cool, man. I'll tell you what. It frees up your hands. It puts the phone right here so you can see it. Of course, as you get older, you need glasses to see it. But anyway, all good. Anyway, so let's see what's in the box. And that's the box it comes in. In the box, you've got a ring that you put on your phone. And that's metal, which has to stick to the magnet on that, right? And then it comes with your wrist strap and some cleaning supplies to put that ring on your phone, and instructions, of course. Okay, so now this thing is it's kind of heavy. I mean, it's not real heavy, but it's well, this is metal, right? So because it's a magnet in there, and we're gonna stick my phone on there in a second, but this has got a 3-point hinge, so you can hinge it this way, and you can hinge it this way, and this way, right? It's got a little pad back here. It's got some air inside there that goes up against your chest, and it won't bother you, which is pretty cool, right? Now, to put this together, you just stick this around your neck like this, and then this right here goes inside there. Okay, so that goes in here like that, and then sits there like this. Okay, now to get it off, there's a button right there. You can see it. You push on that, and that comes out, right? So we're going to put that back in there, and then we're going to take the phone and put it on here. Now, I've already got a plate on my phone. I didn't have to put that ring on mine, but so anyway, that sticks there like that, and then you grab your phone, and the magnet's obviously back here. So in your camera's here, you want that going forward, right? So that goes on there like that, and then you do your video and all that kind of stuff, and you can move it this way or that way, or tip it whichever way you want. If you want to do something way down below you here, you can do that too, which is really cool. I just shot a whole bunch of videos doing that. That was yeah, my hands are free and everything, right? So all good. That's my review. Thanks for coming.